Hi, I'm Vanessa from Hello Charlie. Today I wanted to show you a few more of the fantastic Manhattan Toys range. The one I've got here in my hand is the Manhattan Toys Ring Ball. It's called a ring ball rattle. It's wooden and you hear that it makes great noises, the beads all whiz around. This is the natural version, so it's made from natural sustainable woods. They're undyed as well, these woods, and they're finished with a non-toxic natural finish. So you can see how big that is in my hand. Great for a baby learning to grasp, and make sounds and sensory development and all that kind of stuff. That's suitable for a baby from 3 months plus, made from sustainable rubber wood. As I said, that's the natural version. And there's also a painted version, brightly coloured, which is lovely as well. Nice bright colours, great sound again. Again, that one's for babies from 3 months plus, made from sustainable rubber wood in Thailand and finished with non-toxic natural paints as well. So that's the Manhattan Toy Ring Ball.